Hi there. So after some investigating, I think what we need to do is go back to this planning document and look at the version history for Christian because I think he deleted something. So here's how to do that. Go into the Teams app and go to his planning document. Then you're going to hit Edit in Browser. And then there's a little search thing right here with a light bulb. If you type in history, it will show you the choice to go to version history. So when you click on that, you can see all of the changes that were made. So if you go to this previous version, this is what it looked like previously. And if you go to this version, this is what it looked like previously. And then you can save a copy. And what you're going to have to do is change the name. You can do, just delete that part and say planning to, and then hit save. I think it should save into the same place. If you hit save and you can't find it, you can let me know. Or if that doesn't work, you can kind of at least see what he wrote on this document and kind of update it from there. So hopefully that was helpful. Bye.